This is a Sons of Promise production, presented to you by Yah'S Salvation Army on behalf of the sanctioned body of the Culture Center of NCCI.
That America got its start from Europe. So this is baby London or Babylon, but it is time now that the mystery be revealed. And so yes, I'm saying that America fulfills the prophecy of the mystery Babylon, and not only does America fulfill that prophecy, we as black people fulfill the prophecies of the people of God in the last days as well.